Do you know your credit score? And do you know how it affects your ability to qualify for a home loan? If you're unsure about either of these questions, this video will help you understand why your credit is one of the most important factors in the home buying process. So first, let's quickly cover a credit score and how it's calculated. Credit score numbers generally range from 300 on the low end up to 850. And the higher the score, of course, the better your ratings are. Whatever the number is, it represents the level of risk you are to a lender, and it'll ultimately impact your mortgage interest rate and the home loans that you qualify for. So how is your credit score calculated? Well, it's all about your credit and your payment history. If you have, or have had in the past, credit cards, auto loan payments, school loans, or other lines of credit, your credit score is going to reflect your pattern of paying back each of those credit lines. Well, there's 5 categories that make up your credit score. On-time payments, credit use, which includes balances owed and how much your credit limit is being used, credit history, how long you've maintained credit accounts, new inquiries that may point to additional future debt, and the types of credit accounts that you have. Now that you know what makes up your credit score, here's how you can build it up before applying for a home loan. Get all of your accounts in good standing. Make sure that you make payments on time, every time. Can't stress that enough. Pay down your balances and try to pay off older accounts and those that have the highest interest rates first. And focus on credit use, limiting your credit use to your available balance. You want to keep that below 30% of the available balance. So it can take time to build up your credit, so it's important to get started quickly and to have a plan. Make sure that you check your credit score on a trusted free site like credit.com or creditkarma.com. And while your mortgage score may end up being different, this was going to be a great gauge for you to help keep you on track. And if you want to learn more about credit scores or what that impact may be on your ability to buy a home, contact the Streicher team. We're here to help.